Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's Magic Write and Canva's AI Music app to generate a custom baby lullaby, completely free, no music skills required. By the end of this video, you'll have a soothing track ready for bedtime.
First, let's create our lyrics. Open Canva and let's click on Draft a Doc. And then for type, we want to click on Story. Okay, now let's add our prompt. You can use any GPT or even Magic Write to create your prompt for you if you don't know what to write. The prompt I used is, write a soft lullaby for babies with moon stars and gentle sleep imagery. Make it 4 short lines, slow and calming. Canva instantly generates lyrics. You can regenerate until you get something you love, or lightly edit to add your own personal touch. Now let's run our prompt and check out our lullaby to see what Canva has created for us. The document Canva created for us isn't bad. It has a nice design and includes all the lyrics for our new lullaby like we asked for in the prompt. If you are happy with this, now you can add your music. Now let's head back into our apps on our sidebar on Canva, click on Apps, and let's type in Music to search for our app. The app we are looking for is AI Music Maker. It creates songs or music from text prompts. After finding AI Music Maker, you can use it in a new or existing design. I'll use mine in the existing design we just created with Magic Write, the one that generated my lullaby. Next, we need to fill in the details. Our title of our song, the style that we want generated, the lyrics to our song. Now we just click Generate, and our lullaby is being created. Now that we have our lullaby track, all that's left is to add the audio to our project and see what we've created. I also went ahead and built the scenes using image prompts in Canva. Some integrations, like SoundRaw, give you about 10 free credits. After that, you may need a paid plan or a different AI music generator. Okay, let's check out our finished lullaby. Okay, let's recap. Magic Write for lyrics, AI music app for melody, export and play for bedtime. I've linked the resources below, including my sample lullaby and my Canva affiliate link. Try it tonight and see how quickly your baby drifts to sleep, or use this in your projects.
And as the night turns into morning, Twinkle and the moon will gently wake you up, refreshed and ready for a new day of adventures. But for now, let's keep singing this sleepy lullaby until you're sound asleep.